Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a restoration video, and it's going to be a restoration on these Gen 1 My Little Ponies that I got recently, which you saw in a previous haul video. And here is what they look like. First, we're going to go over everything we're going to be using for the restoration, starting with conditioner and Dawn dish soap, scissors, more scissors. These are shears, and a comb, you're going to want some bendy straws that you can cut later. That will be for the hair, and some little plastic hair ties. And lastly, you're going to want a sponge. I'm using a Scrub Daddy. So the first pony we're going to be looking at is the Party Time pony, which is a twinkle eye pony. And then we have Yum Yums. And then this pony's name is Blossom. And then we have Baby Glory. And this is the year 3 version with the glitter symbols. This is the Betty Bye version of Baby Gusty. This is a baby twin, and this one's name is Speckles. And then we have Bowtie. This next pony is Princess Dawn. This pony's name is Banana Surprise, and she is a part of the Sunday Best Ponies. And last but not least, we have this baby pony named Baby Shady, and she is also a Betty Bye pony. All right, now that I've introduced them all to you, let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to clean a couple of these on camera, and then I will clean the rest of them off camera. But don't worry, I will show you what they look like at the end. I just wanted to show you guys a before. They're looking a little rough, a little played with. The first pony I'm going to be restoring today is Princess Dawn. You're going to want to get her wet with water and then start putting in some conditioner in her hair so it's easier to work through. And we're going to let the conditioner set in her hair for a while, just so it can continue to condition it. And we're going to move on to Yum Yums next. And we're going to do the same process where we submerge her hair and then put some conditioner on it. Yum Yum's body was a bit dirty, so I went in with a sponge and a little bit of Dawn dish soap just to clean it up a little bit. You want to go in and do it gently. You don't want to rub too hard. Now we're going to coat her hair with conditioner, and she's already looking a lot better even before we brush it out. We'll have her looking really good in no time. Feel free to keep adding conditioner to your liking. We want her hair to be completely submerged in conditioner. That way she has the best outcome. And once we're done with that, we're going to set her aside with Princess Dawn. Okay, now that I've shown you the basics with these two ponies, I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of these ponies off of camera, and I will be right back. It's the same exact process, so I will be back when I'm done with the rest of them. Okay, before we rinse the conditioner out of the pony's hair, I'm going to do something that's totally optional. I'm going to be cutting this paper towel into strips, and that's just going to be used later on to secure the pony's hair down, make sure that it dries how I want it to after the conditioner is out of their hair. So yeah, I'm just going to cut it halfway at first, and then I will go ahead and cut it all the way through after I make the desired thickness of the strips. Now that the conditioner has been sitting for a while, we're going to take a comb, a fine-tooth comb, or something similar, and we're going to brush through the pony's hair towards ourselves in a downward motion, as you can see. Now let's go ahead and rinse our hands as well as her hair. sometimes when you comb the hair, some of the strands will be a little bit loose and they'll appear longer than the rest of the mane. So I'm just taking my shears here and I'm going to cut it a little bit to even it out. Once you've trimmed her hair, combed it out, used the conditioning treatment, all of those steps from before, you're going to take the paper towel strips from earlier and you're going to wrap it around her hair. And I just wrapped her hair around her neck to give it a bouncy look. And I'm going to take her hair on her mane, her tail, and wrap it around one of the legs and do the same thing with the strip of paper towel. Now we're going to do the same process with Princess Dawn. We're going to comb out her conditioned hair and then trim all the ends and then rinse it out and style it. I don't use the straws for every pony, but I want to give her some cute curls. So we're going to take one of these straws and cut it into sections and not let it go down the drain. Once we get all the straws cut, we're going to use them as a makeshift curler rod. So we're going to use the straw to roll her hair, and then we're going to secure it with the plastic hair tie from earlier. Now that we've finished rolling her hair, we're going to set her aside and let her dry overnight before we remove them. She looks kind of like a hot mess right now, but that's just because her hair is tinsel and it never looks amazing at first until the next day. So I'm gonna set all the ponies aside and I'll see you tomorrow. Just in case you wanted to see what the other ponies look like, here they are. I still need to rinse the conditioner out of their hair and style them. Okay, so now it is the next day, and all of the ponies have been styled and they've been drying overnight. I'm going to go ahead and remove all of the paper towel strips, as well as any of the rubber bands and straws. So in a minute, I will show you what they look like after I do that. Here's what everybody looks like. You can see Blossom, Bowtie, and Baby Gusty. As you can see, their hair is a lot more shiny. Don't mind the bananas. But yeah, they're very shiny and their bodies are very clean now. They just look very refreshed. Here I am removing the paper towel, and it's pretty simple. You're just gonna wanna unravel it and then let the hair lay naturally. For the ones with straws and rubber bands, we're just going to take a pair of scissors and basically cut them off, just so there's very little damage to the hair in the process. here are the final results of the ponies after I've unraveled them all. And as you can see, they look much more refreshed. Their hair is all shiny and smooth, and their bodies are clean. I didn't do too many crazy styles with this batch of ponies. I mostly just wanted to make them look better. First, I'm showing you Princess Dawn. I'm not too happy with her hair yet, but I am going to tweak it a little more, and I'll show you that at the end. I will say, though, I think Yum Yum's had a beautiful transformation just because her hair was so residuey, and I can't stress that enough. It was just that type of residue where you feel it in between your fingers after touching it, and her hair is really nice and smooth now. Her body barely has any blemishes. She looks perfect, honestly. And here's Princess Dawn after I tweaked her a little bit. I put a leave-in conditioner in her hair just to flatten out the tinsel frizz a little bit, as well as a very mild hairspray on the top part of her mane. I just wanted that to be all together, and I think it turned out pretty good. It's not crunchy or anything, it's just together, which is what I was going for. These princess ponies did come with a hat originally, so maybe one day she will end up having one. That's going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I just want to say thank you so much for watching. And yeah, until next time, I will talk to you all later. Bye.